Welcome back! We've mastered ER verbs, conquered IR verbs, and today we are tackling the final major group, RE verbs and their conjugations with je in the present tense. First, let's check out some examples, and then we will break down the rule for conjugating them.
Répondre.
Je réponds. Je réponds au téléphone. I am answering the phone.
Vendre.
Je vends. Je vends ma voiture. I am selling my car.
Perdre.
Je perds. Je perds mes clés. I am losing my keys.
As you just saw, the formula is incredibly simple. Let's take the verb vendre, which means to sell. Step 1, chop off the RE. You're left with the stem, V-E-N-D. Step 2, to conjugate the verb with je, just add an S.
Put it together and it becomes je vends.
Let's continue with some examples, and then right after, I'm going to share a very important tip about how to actually pronounce them like a native speaker. Let's dive in.
Rendre.
Je rends. Je rends le livre. I am returning the book.
Descendre.
Je descends. Je descends du train. I am getting off the train.
Now, let's talk about a major French pronunciation secret. When you write these verbs down with je, you add an S. But when you speak, often both the S and the letter right before it are completely silent. Take a look at je vends or j'attends. You don't pronounce the S and you don't pronounce the D. They are completely invisible to your ears. You stop speaking right at the sound just before the D. Let's continue with some more examples.
Défendre.
Je défends. Je défends mes droits.
I defend my rights.
Pendre.
Je peins. Je pends mon manteau.
I am hanging my coat.
Confondre.
Je confonds. Je confonds les deux mots.
I confuse the two words. Fendre. Je fends.
Je fends le bois.
I am splitting the wood.